Take a look at this innovative beach umbrella, a hitch-mounted canopy system built to provide fast, reliable shelter wherever you need it. It connects easily to a standard 2-inch hitch receiver and offers up to 115 square feet of protection from sun or rain. When packed, the canopy measures 61 by 6 by 10 inches and weighs 37 pounds, while the hitch component measures 29 by 6 by 2 inches and weighs 12 pounds. The fabric is made from color-stable polyacrylic, supported by strong aluminum ribs, and the 2.4-inch diameter shaft uses stainless steel and solid brass hardware. Once attached to your vehicle, suction cups keep it steady, even in winds up to 25 miles per hour. Designed for short bed pickups and most SUVs, some larger SUVs may need a hitch extension to maintain rear door access. Setup and takedown are quick, less than 90 seconds, with no stakes or tie-downs required. This versatile sunshade is priced at $995.
For hunters who like to be ready for anything, the War winch with wireless receiver might be the ideal companion. With smartphone control, you can operate it from up to 30 meters away from your vehicle. No cell signal? No problem. The winch connects via Bluetooth, and best of all, the mobile app works with nearly all new Word winches, including models made for ATVs. Before rear-view mirrors became common, drivers often relied on small pocket mirrors. And in the United States, a unique trend appeared where mirrors were mounted on the fenders instead of the doors. That style later made its way to Japan and stayed popular there until the early 2000s. Today, rear-view systems often include cameras like those seen in the legendary 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. Mike and Jim Ring, famous for their automotive innovations, unveiled their reimagined 1966 Chevelle Recoil at SEMA 2014. Stunning crowds at the Royal Purple booth. This awe-inspiring build, powered by an LS7 engine, produces a staggering 1,000 horsepower on a custom roadster shop chassis, finished in a striking sand-colored paint. Meanwhile, the automotive world continues to evolve with carbon fiber and aluminum elements, inspired by jet fighter design. Some even push boundaries with fully digital features like Lexus, pioneering digital mirrors with 5-inch displays, a bold new step in automotive progress.
Meet the Oregon, a highway truck engineered for power and safety. It offers engine options ranging from 370 to 525 horsepower, with torque reaching up to 1,850 pound-feet. But this truck isn't just about raw muscle. It's packed with intelligent safety systems that watch the road and actively assist the driver. Cameras and radar sensors monitor blind spots, detect lane drift, and track traffic ahead. If a hazard appears, the truck can intervene with steering corrections or braking. It even monitors driver alertness, safely bringing the vehicle to a stop if there's no response. Behind the scenes, a connected fleet system allows managers to track performance and send updates remotely without disrupting the driver's journey.
Attention! Sports car lovers, hold tight, because this family is about to paint their snow-white Corvette C8, and do not panic. It is for a good cause. Pure publicity, just like that classic blender and toothpaste egg demo. Meet Lumar Film, a protective layer that shields your car's paint from everyday threats like bird droppings, salt, sand, and more. It is a smart defense against harsh sunlight, using advanced tech to fight heat, glare, and ultraviolet exposure. You can pick ceramic, metallized, dyed, or clear tints in various charcoal shades. The tough, non-reflective CTX film blocks 99% of harmful ultraviolet rays, cuts glare, and boosts safety by holding shattered glass together. These ceramic tints use nanoceramic tech for excellent heat rejection. Options like IRX tint and IR film offer similar perks. Whether you choose CTX or another ceramic tint, you will feel the difference instantly. For peak performance, Check out Formula One high-performance window tint, sold only through Lumar Select Pro dealers for unmatched appearance, comfort, and protection. The company also provides property solutions like Vista Window Film, which preserves your view while reducing heat and fading in homes and commercial spaces. Thanks to the Motomule, your bike can ride in comfort before your next adventure begins. This lightweight yet incredibly tough system is made from aluminum. Weighing just 28 kilograms, it can support up to 227 kilograms. An adjustable wheel wedge and built-in ramp make loading quick and safe, leaving more time to hit the trail. The Motomule is priced at $1,395.
Now, let's explore a 60-foot Danish roll trailer. Engineered to carry extremely heavy loads up to 120 tons over short distances, such as in ports or industrial yards. When empty, it weighs roughly 32,000 pounds. The trailer rides on 4 axles, each capable of supporting over 55,000 pounds, while the fifth wheel, connecting it to the towing vehicle, can handle more than 81,000 pounds on its own. Its deck is crafted from thick steel, able to withstand pressures up to 4.8 pounds per square inch. The trailer is wide about 9 feet across and stands just under 3 feet tall. Instead of traditional tires, it uses 8 solid rubber wheels, each over 2 feet in diameter, providing remarkable stability when transporting heavy equipment or containers. Designed for safety rather than speed, it moves at just over 6 miles per hour when loaded, and up to 10 miles per hour when empty. Short trips under 1.5 miles are ideal, followed by a few hours to let the system cool before the next run. Along the sides and deck, there are 50 heavy-duty rings and additional tie-down points to secure cargo firmly during transport. Forklift pockets are spaced about 6.7 feet apart, making it easy for workers to lift and maneuver the trailer when needed.
This timber trailer is approved for road use across the European Union and can travel at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Its tandem axle and 1.2-ton payload make it a dependable partner. And you can take things even further by adding a mini crane. The trailer is priced at $1,975. Ease into adventure with the Expedition 1 dual swing-out rear bumper, a standout upgrade in the off-road world that gives you a whole new way to carry and access your spare tire and tools while exploring the wild. The company spent years refining this rattle-free, rock-solid bumper, and it's built from premium high-grade steel to ensure it can handle every rough trail you chase. This upgrade comes in at $2,811, but it truly earns its keep. And believe it or not, there are modern wheel setups that can actually boost your vehicle's power and performance. Stick around and see for yourself.
In Woodridge, they use an advanced system to keep tire pressure consistent on trailers with 1 to 4 axles, compatible with common tire sizes. It typically maintains pressures between 85 and 120 psi. At its heart is a durable rotary union designed to last up to 1 million miles, with air flowing through 3/8-inch lines. While basic pressure control doesn't require electricity, features like warning lights and system diagnostics do. Unlike simpler systems that only add air, this one can also release excess pressure, keeping all tires balanced, crucial for trailers with dual tires. The hubcap is sealed to block dirt, and the rotary union channels air from axle to wheel. Steel-braided hoses inside the axle deliver air precisely where it's needed. A built-in filter keeps out debris, and a vent allows clean airflow. The controller monitors pressure continuously, pausing airflow when brakes engage.
The team at Trihomey in China has come up with a seriously clever way to sell folding beds. This is not your typical sleeping pad. It is built for campers who rest inside their cars. By folding down the front seat, you create a comfy bed about 32 centimeters high, giving you enough room to stretch your legs all the way to the windshield. Whether tucked inside a tent or settled in your vehicle, this portable bed delivers a refreshing night's sleep during outdoor adventures. Made from tough Oxford fabric and reinforced with 775 aluminum alloy support rods, the cot weighs only 3.6 kilograms, light enough to carry with zero effort. Under the stars or inside your tent, this bed will cost you about $36.
For avid cyclists who often transport bikes by car, the Thule Helium platform offers a clever, hassle-free solution. No removing wheels, no lifting bikes onto the roof. This hitch-mounted rack holds up to 2 bikes securely by the wheels, not the frame, making it perfect for delicate carbon or lightweight designs. Each bike can weigh up to 90 pounds. It fits wheel sizes from 26 to 29 inches and tire widths up to 3 inches. Bikes are spaced 10 inches apart to prevent contact during transit. Built from high-strength aluminum and weighing just over 43 pounds. It fits both 1.25-inch and 2-inch receivers. A tilt-down feature allows trunk access even with bikes mounted. The rack folds flat against the vehicle when not in use. Integrated cable locks secure both bikes and rack. Installation is quick, and once mounted, it minimizes wobble beautifully. The price is $850.
Staying with the theme of innovative trailers, let's check out 2 standout examples. First is the Globe 55, which not only includes a hydraulic flip axle, but also comes with a removable gooseneck hitch. This heavy-duty trailer can handle up to 55 tons and includes a lockable toolbox for added functionality. Rising bush winch. A bush winch is one of those must-have off-road tools you truly cannot go without. But now, off-road fans can count on the bush winch to be everything they wanted, and even more. This clever, uncommon winch mounts directly onto your vehicle's wheel, making installation faster and far easier than traditional setups. The smart design means it can be fitted to almost any car, working with all transmissions and drivetrains. It is simple to attach, no advanced skills required. Just fix it to the wheel and drive forward at low RPMs. Its pulling strength is limited only by your engine's power output. And at a price of $300, it is a tool every off-roader should add to their kit.
In the Netherlands, a cargo restraint system has been developed to keep goods secure during transport, whether by truck, train, ship, or plane. This system combines heavy-duty tension straps with metal tracks to hold loads firmly in place. The straps attach to fixed anchor points on the tracks, each labeled with its safe working load, its expected stretch up to 5%, and the pulling force applied when tightened through the ratchet. Models like the 3009 track mount horizontally on vehicle walls and are compatible with floor tracks and other fittings. Installation is flexible, using screws, rivets, welding, or strong adhesives, making the system suitable for a wide range of vehicles and load types. To secure cargo, the strap is fed through the ratchet, hooked into the track, and tightened firmly so items won't shift during transit. The webbing is intentionally rigid, designed to stay tight with minimal stretch. All components are manufactured with precise machinery for consistent quality.
Sea to Summit Pack Racks. Fun fact: the largest surfboard ever built stretched an incredible 4,872 feet or 15 meters long. But even regular surfers know the real struggle is getting a board from home to the beach. That is where the Sea to Summit Pack Racks come in, the only rooftop storage setup you will ever need. Designed by an Australian company, they solve the headache of transporting surfboards, and they double as mounts for skis and snowboards. When you are not using them, they fold into a compact backpack for effortless carrying. With a max load of 100 pounds, or about 50 kilograms, this inflatable roof rack can take the pressure, made from the same tough material used in quality tents. It even includes security straps, and all of that for just $100. But Elphinstone Engineering refuses to be outdone. Their trailers are built for log transport and feature an impressive folding system. When fully extended, their top model reaches 33.5 meters and can carry up to 68 tons.
Gouda, based in Hillegom, Netherlands, designs and supplies geotechnical testing systems used worldwide. Since 2003, the company has delivered reliable equipment for cone penetration testing, dynamic penetration testing, and seismic soil analysis, now serving over 130 countries. One of its flagship products is the Crawler Truck CPT penetrometer rig, mounted on either 4x4 or 4x2 MTGS trucks. These rigs feature a penetrometer capable of 200 kilonewtons pushing force and 260 kilonewtons pulling force, with a stroke length of 1,350 millimeters. The hydraulic system, powered by the truck's diesel engine, uses electronically controlled valves to ensure smooth, confident operation. Operators manage everything through a touchscreen panel, a joystick, and a CAN bus-based interface. Gouda Geo also offers triaxial seismic CPT systems, which measure compression and shear wave velocities directly in the ground. A specialized adapter captures wave movement in 3 directions, giving engineers deep, revealing insight into soil behavior under stress. For shallower tests, the company provides a manual DPL apparatus, which includes a 10-kilogram drop weight with handles, steel conical tips in 2 sizes, 22mm diameter sounding tubes marked every 10 centimeters, and essential tools like a tube puller and spanners. This setup is effective for depths up to 10 meters.
VW Beetle Camper Rack. Few cars on Earth carry the same legacy and iconic charm as the Volkswagen Beetle, and it has been transformed in nearly every way imaginable. But this next upgrade might be one of the most creative twists yet. A custom-built camping trailer designed specifically for the Beetle, crafted entirely from scratch. It features a roof-mounted hitch that lets the driver not only pull the trailer, but also push it when needed. This quirky, clever setup adds the perfect blend of originality and practicality, making your campsite the talk of the town every single time. And for anyone interested, both the Beetle and the trailer are available as a pair for a surprisingly reasonable $114,000. The V-Electric Bike Pack is built to carry 2 bicycles of up to 27 kilograms each. It keeps them safe from rain, dust, prying eyes, and theft. Need access to your vehicle's rear door? No problem. The bike pack includes a sliding platform for easy clearance. For added security, it features reflective strips, brake lights, and turn signals. This enclosed carrier starts at $200.
Transform your pickup truck into a mini office, a mobile hunting base, or a cozy hangout with diggy folding seats from Mark X Pakistan. Designed to fit the Toyota Hilux Revo and many other pickups, these seats are foldable, easy to install, and secure with just 3 nut bolts. The powder-coated metal base resists rust and scratches, while the 5-inch foam padding provides long-lasting comfort. Scratch-resistant leatherette keeps everything clean and fresh. Choose a single folding seat that locks neatly when not in use, or a back-to-back dual seat offering a full 360-degree view, perfect for security personnel or anyone who needs visibility. When folded, the seats free up valuable trunk space, keeping gear organized and preventing items from sliding around.
The Century 5130 is the world's best-selling heavy-duty towing and recovery unit. It can easily tow a semi-trailer. Its powerful boom handles up to 15.8 tons at a full reach of 3.3 meters. On top of that, The Century 5130 includes 2 winches with a combined pulling force of 22.6 tons. Its hydraulic supports are a standout feature engineered to stay flat on asphalt or concrete when needed, or to dig into soil for better grip. There's also plenty of storage for tools, chains, reagents, and more. There's even enough room to store a drive shaft inside the pass-through box. It has been a while since we have come across something this simple, so we figured, why not make a video about it? I mean, just look at it, literally a piece of metal folding and unfolding. Yet we are not doubting its usefulness. Not at all. These days, everything seems to come with solar panels, USB ports, or even a built-in flashlight. But sometimes your mind craves something easy, something oddly calming. So go on, just watch it. Take it in. Enjoy the moment.
In Sweden, there's a specialized machine designed to lift and transport extremely heavy cable drums, handling anywhere from 77,000 to 114,000 pounds, depending on the configuration. It's perfect for power line projects, telecom installations, large construction sites, or any location where massive cable drums must be moved without extra equipment. What sets this trailer apart is its ability to both lift and transport the drum, meaning a single person with one vehicle can pick up, move, and set down a drum with ease. A built-in hydraulic system lifts the drum safely from the side, eliminating the need for cranes and saving valuable time on tight job sites. Adjustable hydraulic supports accommodate drums of various sizes, while an optional top-mounted spreader can lift via the drum's center shaft. The trailer frame can be modified for wider drums, and it can even be configured to carry 20-foot containers. For extremely large drums, the trailer can be repositioned to ensure ideal balance during lifting, giving unmatched flexibility on demanding jobs.
The Zaslav Trails trailer may seem ordinary at first glance. It features a deck measuring 12, 6-core 2, 4 meters and a galvanized steel frame. So, what makes it worth mentioning? Here's the surprise: it includes a unique and incredibly practical feature. It's not about the removable sides or even the liftable axle. This trailer is a tipper, capable of tilting both left and right. This remarkable functionality is achieved through 3 hydraulic cylinders, each with a pressure of 160 bar. As a result, this trailer isn't just more versatile than most, it can also save significant unloading time in various situations. Bayek Marine lets you tow a jet ski or small boat behind your main vessel. This powerful towing system costs around $3,500, depending on the version, and has been tested at speeds up to 128 kilometers per hour. It's easy to install, quick to remove, and takes up minimal space on your swim platform. The Hallmaster trailer stands out for its unmatched versatility. Its modular design makes it ideal for tackling even the toughest hauling tasks without the usual hassle. Need a ramp? Go ahead. Want side panels? Absolutely. Need jacks? You can add those too. With Hallmaster, you set the rules. This system supports up to 907 kilograms and sells for around $1,000. Well, hood louvers. Fans of high-energy, action-packed car movies are going to love this next gadget. And sure, some people might hesitate to drop $259 on a single accessory, but others will instantly see the appeal of owning a set of louvers and might happily pay a little extra to keep their engines looking sharp and running strong. These sleek add-ons do not just cool the engine bay on scorching days, they also reduce pressure under the hood, which can even give performance a small boost. They help maintain your vehicle's structural integrity and are crafted to match the original hood design. With a cutting template included, installation is practically child's play. They arrive flat-packed and ready to mount. All you have to do is bend them into shape. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.